City lights dancing in your eyes tonight. Different worlds, different hearts, but somehow loving you feels natural in every language. And when you kiss me slowly, even silence sounds beautiful. Maybe that's why I keep falling harder every time. Volim Te, te do I love you. Three ways to say it, one way to feel it. Volim Te, te do I love you. No matter where we come from, love sounds like you. 2 a.m., your head on my shoulder. The whole world disappears when you move a little closer. Maybe real love was never meant for one language. Maybe two souls always understand each other. And every time you look at me, my heartbeat changes rhythm. Maybe that's why nothing ever felt this real before. Volim Te, te do I love you. Three ways to say it, one way to feel it. Volim Te, te do I love you. No matter where we come from, love sounds like you. Love sounds like you. Love sounds like you. We don't need translation when your eyes already tell me everything. Some people spend forever searching for this feeling, and some